used to wake up with this knot in my chest, anxiety before I even got out of bed. And unfortunately, I thought, well, that's just how it goes. But here's the thing, I was wrong. And I tried everything, but something was still missing. Problem for people like me is I have a hard time trusting somebody else to solve my problem. I want to do it all by myself. I also like guitar. So as stubborn as I am, one day I pick up the guitar and I start strumming and breathing. And before I knew what I was doing it. What was I doing? Meditating. And by that I mean I was mindful, aware, alert, alive, optimistic, hopeful, lighter. And I think most importantly, my mind had quieted down. I got into a flow state. That's where I didn't really know where I was. For once, I could feel the relief that I had been chasing forever. Did I mention I have a hard time following rules? So I didn't really want to be structured. I wanted to do my own thing. The way I wanted to do it. I mean, if I want to dig deep, maybe that's where this anxiety came from, is being forced to follow somebody else's rules. But as far as the guitar goes, there really are no rules. Once you learn a couple of the basic chords, you can strum them, you can pick them, you can create your own structure. I happen to have a structure. That's what I'm offering to you. It's the 7-day reset. Why is it 7 days? Because I think 7 days are where it's at. I think if you can do this for 7 days, that'll get you through a full week, including the weekend. And if you can get through a weekend with not repeating the same negative behaviors that you might be currently engaging in on the weekends, you can break that cycle. And there's nothing better than waking up feeling relaxed, as opposed to waking up with that anxious pain in your chest. First couple days are getting your feet wet. You're strumming, you're timing, you're breathing, you're checking your posture. By about the 3rd day, you'll see progress. And you'll build upon what you've done over the past couple of days, even if you have very little guitar experience, or none at all for that matter. Here's the deal. If you've been carrying anxiety for years, you don't have to. You can teach your body how to feel safe again through breathing and rhythm. If you can teach your body to do it, your mind will follow. Or maybe it's the other way around. It doesn't matter. It works. And that's exactly why it was easy to put together the 7-day reset. All I did was explain exactly what I'm doing. Nothing feels better than a reset. I thought anxiety was part of my story. And in a big way it is. But not the way I thought it was going to end. And as odd as this sounds, I like being wrong, especially when I was convinced that I was right. So I hope you're well. In the meantime, a G and a C. I'll turn on the D.